Imagine you're standing in a massive fortress. Its walls are tall and impenetrable, guarding the treasures inside. Suddenly you hear an alarm: intruders! Tiny, unseen invaders are trying to breach the walls. Inside, an elite army springs into action, each soldier trained to identify, attack, and eliminate the threat. Now replace the fortress with your body and the invaders with harmful bacteria, viruses, and toxins. That elite army? It's your immune system, the most sophisticated defense system ever created. Today we're going to unravel the mysteries of this extraordinary system. By the end of this journey, you'll not only understand how your immune system works, but also learn how to keep it in top shape. Let's dive in. Picture this. Every single day, your body is under siege by millions of microorganisms. Some harmless, others downright deadly. Yet you're still standing, healthy and alive. Why? Because of your immune system. The immune system is like an invisible shield. Its main job is to protect you from pathogens, the harmful invaders. But unlike a regular shield, it's not static. It's dynamic, adaptive, and incredibly intelligent. Let's break it down. Think of your immune system as having two main layers. The innate immune system, the first line of defense, quick and non-specific. It's like castle guards that fend off invaders as soon as they appear. The adaptive immune system, the special forces, tailored and precise. It learns from experience and builds a memory of past intruders. Together they form an unbeatable duo. Did you know that your skin, the largest organ in your body, is part of your immune system? Right now it's acting as a physical barrier against germs. Take a moment to look at your hands. That's your first line of defense in action. Let's meet the heroes of your immune system. White blood cells, WBCs. These are your soldiers, patrolling your bloodstream and tissues, ready to fight. There are different types. Macrophages, the big eaters. They engulf and digest invaders. Neutrophils, the first responders. They're like emergency firefighters. Lymphocytes, the masterminds, including B cells and T cells. They're the ones that strategize and execute precise attacks. Imagine you get a cut on your finger. Bacteria rush in. Immediately, neutrophils swarm the area, releasing chemicals that signal other immune cells to join the fight. Macrophages arrive to clean up the debris, and if the bacteria are tough, lymphocytes create antibodies to neutralize them. It's teamwork at its finest. Every time a pathogen enters your body, it's like declaring war. Here's what happens next. Detection. Your innate immune system identifies the invader using receptors that recognize general patterns in pathogens. Response. Cells release chemical signals to summon reinforcements. Attack. Neutrophils and macrophages attack the invader. If the threat is severe, the adaptive immune system kicks in. Memory formation. Once the invader is defeated, your body remembers it. Specialized cells called memory B and T cells store the blueprint, ensuring faster responses in the future. Curiosity. Hook. Did you know that vaccines work by training your immune system to recognize a pathogen without you actually getting sick? It's like giving your body a cheat sheet for future battles. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms. Together they form the gut microbiome, a critical part of your immune system. As an example, imagine your gut as a bustling city with good bacteria acting as law-abiding citizens. They keep the bad bacteria, the criminals, in check. When this balance is disrupted, say by a poor diet or antibiotics, it's like opening the city gates to chaos. To keep your gut healthy, eat foods rich in probiotics, like yogurt, and prebiotics, like bananas and onions. These nourish your microbiome and strengthen your immunity. Inflammation is a double-edged sword. It's your immune system's way of signaling that something is wrong. But when it's chronic, it can lead to diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Example, think of inflammation as fire. A small controlled fire, like in your fireplace, keeps you warm, but an uncontrolled blaze can destroy everything in its path. To manage inflammation, incorporate anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, fatty fish, and leafy greens into your diet. Here's how you can give your immune system the support it needs. Nutrition. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins C, D, and E, zinc, and antioxidants. Sleep. During sleep, your body produces cytokines, proteins that fight infection and inflammation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Exercise. Moderate exercise boosts circulation, helping immune cells travel efficiently. Stress management. Chronic stress suppresses your immune system. Practice mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Hydration. Water helps carry oxygen to your cells and flushes out toxins. Your immune system can distinguish between over 10 million different antigens. Fever is your body's way of creating an environment that's too hot for pathogens to survive. Breast milk provides newborns with antibodies, jump-starting their immune system. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to catch every cold while others rarely get sick? Genetics, lifestyle, and gut health all play a role. Sometimes the immune system misfires autoimmune diseases. The immune system attacks healthy cells, e.g., rheumatoid arthritis, lupus. Allergies. It overreacts to harmless substances like pollen or peanuts. Immunodeficiency. Conditions like HIV weaken the immune system. These disorders remind us of the immune system's complexity and the importance of maintaining balance. Your immune system is nothing short of a miracle. It works tirelessly, often without thanks, to keep you alive and thriving. By understanding how it works and taking steps to support it, you're giving yourself the best chance at a long, healthy life. Take a moment to reflect on what you've learned. What small change can you make today to boost your immunity? Whether it's adding a handful of berries to your breakfast or taking a brisk walk, every step counts. Remember, your body is your fortress. Treat it well and it will protect you for years to come.